Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 models shattering and lagging issues. So guys, many of you are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 you are facing an issue of shattering and lagging, that your iPhone 15 is shattering and lagging too much and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes a simple restart can help clear temporary glitches and improve performance. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then go to General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone 15 and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes and improvement. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.4. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. Then you have to do is close your background apps. Close unnecessary apps running in the background as they consume system resources. To do this, you have to simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close all apps. Then you have to do is free up storage on your iPhone. Insufficient storage space can lead to performance issues. Go to General, go to iPhone storage and delete unused apps, photos and videos to free up the storage on your iPhone 15. After this, then you have to do is simply disable your background app refresh. Turn off your background app refresh. To do this, you have to simply open the background app refresh on your iPhone, then go to background app refresh again and you have to turn it off. Then you have to do is simply disable your low power mode. To do this, you have to simply go to the battery on your iPhone. You can see your option low power mode. If it's unable, then you have to disable it. After trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset your all settings on your iPhone. To resetting all settings on your iPhone 15, you have to simply open the General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone 15 shattering and lagging issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.